Welcome back to the channel, coin hunters and history lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of the most valuable Monticello 5 cents, the Jefferson nickel. This humble 5-cent piece has been part of American currency for decades, but certain years, conditions, and rare mint errors have turned some of these coins into collector treasures worth far more than their face value. Let's get started. First up, the 1988 Jefferson nickel, proudly struck at the Denver Mint and carrying the D Mint mark. This coin, in very fine condition, is more than just a small denomination. It's a slice of U.S. history, a tribute to one of America's greatest leaders, and a highly sought-after treasure in today's competitive numismatic market. With strong collector demand and excellent preservation, this nickel has become a coin worth talking about. History and background. The Jefferson nickel series began in 1938, replacing the beloved Buffalo nickel. Designed by Felix Schlag, the coin honored the third president of the United States, Thomas Jefferson, whose leadership and vision helped shape the nation. On the reverse, Schlag's original depiction of Jefferson's Virginia estate, Monticello, became an enduring symbol of heritage and architecture. By 1988, the Jefferson nickel had been in circulation for 50 years, but the Denver Mint issue that year has gained a special following among collectors for its sharp detail and historical relevance. The year 1988 marked the tail end of a decade of high-quality U.S. coin production before significant design updates and minting techniques began to shift in the 1990s. The Denver Mint's attention to strike clarity and detail in 1988 ensured that many coins from this year displayed exceptional craftsmanship. However, circulation over decades means that very fine condition examples are far less common than their original mintage numbers suggest. Unique features of the coin. On the obverse, the 1988 D. Jefferson nickel features the dignified left-facing profile of Thomas Jefferson, complete with the inscriptions, "In God We Trust, Liberty," and the year 1988. The D Mint mark, placed to the right of the portrait, signifies its Denver Mint origin. The reverse showcases Monticello in all its neoclassical beauty, with the inscriptions E Pluribus Unum, Monticello, 5 cents, and United States of America. In very fine condition, these design elements remain crisp and visually striking, retaining their original depth and elegance. The significance of Monticello. Monticello, Jefferson's estate, is more than a building. It's a reflection of Jefferson's architectural skill, intellectual vision, and personal philosophy. Its depiction on the reverse of the nickel is one of the most recognized designs in American coinage, symbolizing both history and artistry. For collectors, the Monticello reverse is a timeless image that connects the past with the present. Eye appeal in very fine condition. A 1988 D. Jefferson nickel in very fine condition retains much of its original detail while showing only light wear. Jefferson's facial features remain well-defined. The inscriptions are sharp, and the fine lines of Monticello's columns and dome are still clear. This level of preservation not only enhances the coin's visual appeal, but also significantly boosts its market desirability. Rarity and collector demand. While millions of Jefferson nickels were minted in Denver in 1988, most have been heavily circulated, leaving them worn, scratched, or discolored. Very fine condition coins stand out in the marketplace because they offer both historical authenticity and superior visual presentation. Collectors are increasingly recognizing the value of modern-era nickels in higher grades, and the 1988 D is no exception. The importance of the D Mint mark. The Denver Mint's D mark gives this coin a unique identity. Mint mark collectors often seek complete sets of Jefferson nickels from every year and mint location, and the 1988 D is an essential part of that journey. The strong strike quality associated with Denver coins further enhances its desirability among those who value precision and clarity in their collections. Current market value in dollars. In today's active collector market, the 1988 D. Jefferson nickel in very fine condition can command a solid premium over face value. While circulated examples may be common, high-grade coins are far more in demand and can fetch several times their face value when sold to the right buyer. With growing appreciation for late 20th century coinage, this nickel is holding its place as a valuable addition to any serious collection. Why it appeals to collectors. The 1988 D. Jefferson nickel has broad appeal. It's affordable enough for beginner collectors to acquire, yet rare enough in top condition to attract advanced numismatists. Its connection to Jefferson's legacy, its architectural artistry, and its place in the history of U.S. coinage make it a coin with both emotional and financial value. Tips for collectors. When searching for a 1988 D. Jefferson nickel, focus on coins with clean surfaces, strong detail in Jefferson's hair and Monticello's architecture, and minimal contact marks. Proper storage in a protective holder or coin album will maintain its condition and market value. For serious investment potential, consider having your best examples professionally graded and certified. Investment outlook. The long-term prospects for the 1988 D. Jefferson nickel are promising. As more collectors begin to focus on modern-era coins in high grades, the supply of very fine condition examples will naturally diminish. This classic supply and demand scenario can lead to steady price appreciation over time, making this coin a smart and affordable investment today. A coin with lasting legacy. From its bold portrayal of Thomas Jefferson to the detailed depiction of Monticello, the 1988 D. Jefferson nickel embodies the artistry and tradition of American coinage. Its survival in very fine condition is a testament to both the craftsmanship of the Denver Mint and the care of those who have preserved it over the years. The 1988 D. Jefferson nickel in very fine condition is a rare blend of history, beauty, and market appeal. It's a coin that tells the story of America's third president, celebrates architectural mastery, and offers tangible value in today's collector landscape. Whether you're a passionate numismatist or a savvy investor, this nickel is a standout choice. A small but powerful piece of history that continues to shine brighter with every passing year. Next up, the 1990 Jefferson nickel with the prestigious P mint mark from the Philadelphia Mint. This coin, in excellent condition, is more than just a 5-cent piece. It's a powerful piece of numismatic art, a tribute to Thomas Jefferson, and a standout in today's fast-moving collector's market. With strong demand, superb preservation, and undeniable eye appeal, the 1990 P. Jefferson nickel is a coin every serious collector should know about. History and background. The Jefferson nickel series began in 1938, replacing the Buffalo nickel and introducing a fresh design by Felix Schlag. It celebrated the life and legacy of Thomas Jefferson, America's third president, and featured his famous home, Monticello, on the reverse. By 1990, the series had been in production for over 5 decades, and while the design remained timeless, the production quality of the Philadelphia Mint ensured coins from this year possessed crisp details and a refined finish. A milestone in modern coinage. The year 1990 was an important one for U.S. coinage. The Philadelphia Mint continued to lead in striking large numbers of coins for circulation, but survival in top grades has become less common as the years have passed. This was also a period when modern coin collectors were beginning to pay closer attention to strike quality, surface preservation, and mint mark variations, all factors that contribute to the desirability of a 1990 P in excellent condition today. Unique features of the coin. The obverse of the 1990 P. Jefferson nickel proudly displays the left-facing bust of Thomas Jefferson, surrounded by the inscriptions "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the date, 1990. The P mint mark, located just to the right of Jefferson's portrait, signifies its Philadelphia origin, a mark that collectors always watch closely. On the reverse, Monticello is rendered with neoclassical precision, framed by E pluribus unum, Monticello, 5 cents, and United States of America. In excellent condition, every architectural detail and every letter stands out boldly. The Monticello design legacy. Monticello is more than just a building. It's Jefferson's personal creation, a home that reflects his vision, intellect, and artistry. The reverse design is not only a symbol of his life, but also an enduring feature of U.S. coinage. The 1990 P version carries this heritage forward with clarity and elegance, especially in coins preserved in excellent condition. Eye appeal in excellent condition. A 1990 P. Jefferson nickel in excellent condition showcases dazzling surfaces, crisp edges, and deep design detail. Jefferson's hair and facial features appear strong and defined, while Monticello's columns, windows, and dome remain sharp and well-formed. The fields are smooth and clean, giving the coin a brilliance that stands out in any collection. Rarity and collector demand. While the Philadelphia Mint struck millions of Jefferson nickels in 1990, the vast majority went straight into circulation and have since suffered heavy wear. The number of surviving coins in excellent condition is only a fraction of the original mintage. As more collectors turn their attention to high-grade modern nickels, the 1990 P in exceptional preservation has quickly become a prized find. Why the P mint mark adds value? The P mint mark on this nickel identifies it as a product of the Philadelphia Mint, which has long been the primary producer of U.S. coinage. Many mint mark specialists aim to collect examples from every year and mint, and the 1990 P is an important piece in completing a modern Jefferson nickel set. Its sharp strike quality and clean surfaces in high grades make it even more attractive. Current market value in dollars. In today's active coin market, a 1990 P Jefferson nickel in excellent condition can command a premium well above face value. Collectors are willing to pay for quality, and coins with exceptional eye appeal often sell for several dollars each in private sales or auctions. Professionally graded examples at the highest levels can reach even stronger prices, reflecting the growing demand for pristine modern-era nickels. The role of professional grading. For serious collectors and investors, having a 1990 P Jefferson nickel professionally graded can significantly enhance its market value. A certification from a top grading service confirms authenticity, verifies the condition, and often makes the coin more attractive to potential buyers. In a market where condition drives price, grading can be a smart move. Tips for collectors. When searching for a 1990 P Jefferson nickel, examine the coin carefully under proper lighting. Look for sharp detail in Jefferson's hair and Monticello's architecture, a full strike with no weak spots, and minimal contact marks. Proper storage in a protective holder or slab will help maintain its beauty and protect it from environmental damage. Investment potential. The 1990 P Jefferson nickel has strong investment potential due to its combination of historical appeal, design artistry, and scarcity in high grades. As the years pass, the number of excellent condition examples will naturally decline, while demand from modern coin enthusiasts is likely to continue rising. This creates a favorable outlook for future value growth. Why this coin stands out? This nickel is more than a small piece of change. It's a miniature work of art, a link to American history, and a reflection of Philadelphia's minting excellence. In excellent condition, it becomes a showcase piece that can elevate any collection, proving that even modern-era coins can hold significant beauty and value. Conclusion. The 1990 Jefferson nickel with the P mint mark in excellent condition is a shining example of how modern coins can achieve high collector status. Its rich design, superb preservation, and growing demand make it a must-have for collectors and investors alike. In today's market, this coin is not just a keeper. It's a star, a piece of American history that continues to inspire pride and passion in the numismatic world.